already went over these plants once. It's a light watering. Let's go over it one more time. I've been using the OG BioWar. Mix with a little bit of water. And see if I can actually find the packs for you guys. Alright, so I'm using this OG BioWar Foiler pack. Beneficial microbes for edible crops. I was kind of watering the bag more than the plants there, but OG BioWar Foiler and then OG BioWar root pack. And these are from Big Cap Capulator. Skywalker right here. It's the only plant that been giving me a fucking problem. We got these little guys in 1 gallon, doing pretty good. And most of the stuff, let me turn off that sprayer. Most of the stuff is from the Battle of the Breeders. I can kind of do a walkthrough right here. Right here, at the bottom, we got Cushman's. All this stuff is from Seedsman. Shout out Seedsman. They showed me a pretty nice pack for the Battle of the Breeders. AC Infinity. Reached out to them, and you know, Mr. Otto reached out to me, and now I'm able to grow these along with you guys. And yeah, there's rope right there. What do we have? Another Nerds rope right in front of it. All these have been topped. These were topped a couple days ago. This one was also topped a couple days ago. We have Dante's Revenge right here, which is one of my crosses. Dante's Inferno crossed the Cherry Pie. These were topped about a week ago. Looking fucking nice. Looking great. Another one, try to keep them together. Dante's Revenge, Dante's Inferno, across the Cherry Pie. These are finally coming back. They almost like, you know, had a little deficiency. Added a little cow mag in, some kelp, and they're looking fucking pretty. The BioWar right there. Banana biscotti in the back. Like I said, these are awesome. Seedsman sent me these. The banana biscotti, I believe, is actually from Seedsman. I'm not sure, but most of these, like, we got a bunch of ethos, lilac diesel right here. This tall girl. I would have thought it was a male if it wasn't from ethos on the fem line. We got another lilac diesel right here. I have to skip over a couple just to show you. As we talked about a week ago, stretching out, kind of looking just like her over there. Ben and Gary's. These are exotic genetics. These are about to come up. Waiting for that. Everything's been lollipops. Going in cocoa soil mix right now. Using salts for my first time a little bit of a Peters mix. That's Ben and Jerry's as well. Exotic genetics. Use some broad, thick, dark leaves. Both of them. Ben and Jerry's looking nice. Right there where we got the Scrooge. Looking beautiful as well. Can't really go back there. And an orange cream pop for the second run. And that's Humble Seco. On the side right here, just clones. A bunch of these clones from my buddy Pete, John 50 Pete. Hella Jelly from Humble Seco. And you're probably gonna see a lot of like this ashy stuff on them. And that's the OG BioWar. Basically, when it dries up, it looks like ashy white almost. When it sucks up to the plant, they come back looking beautiful like this. This is another Hella Jelly, Humble Seco in 1 gallon, thriving. You begging me to fucking transplant. But got time. I got time. Right here, this is a Mr. Grow It. It's a Mr. Grow It right here. I can't wait to flower her out. I've been vetting her for a while. She's looking crazy, especially since I did added kelp in there. She's got a lot more nodes. Can't wait to see her do her thing. Give her a little spin around right there so you can see. Fucking huge. And this is a peanut butter cake back here, which is peanut butter breath across the cherry pie. F1. I'm kind of letting it grow straight up a little bit because I want to see what it does. I don't want to do too much. Jesus Christ. This weird plum looking plant. It looks just like plum. I don't know if you guys ever grew a plum. It looks like plum. This is Donuts Triploid. Looking crazy. But yes, this is Donuts Triploid. Mom, I can't take clones from. Smell like Edmund's fucking donuts. And back here, we got permanent chimera across the cherry pie. Huge back here. It's my F1 from last time. Called it Last Supper. And my homie Pineapple reached out to me. He's like, yo, fucking Soulfire has that name already. 2 days later, I meet Soulfire at Champs. This fool was like, dog, you gotta change the name. Dude was hella cool though. He definitely put me on game about breeding. Shout out Soulfire for real. And you gotta think of a name for this girl. She looks fucking amazing. You go on my Instagram and check her out. Let me step back without hurting any of the girlies back here. Right here we got a mean re-veg. And this girl was tiny, bro. Tiny like tiny like this. But now this is my Trop Cherry re-veg from the homie. Took some latent flower. Now she's a fucking bush, bro. Yeah, I could get this out. Once I clean the middle out, Jesus Christ. And get her to fill out the whole room for real. We got 3 of them. One right there, one right there, one right there, looking healthy. This one was taking a little latent flower, so it has like the duck foot. It's got the single leaf. It's got the little almond knuckles things. Let me show you. These things, when these things show up, you're gonna get, look at that, little bouquets. People start tripping when they see these, but if you just let it grow, then you'll get a bunch of clones. You can just take those out and re-fucking vet. I mean, you know, put them in some root riots. You got a bunch of little plants. Right here, gotta shout out the homie right here. We got TJ across the Jumbo, Pineapple Longtooth, my boy. And a lot of these seeds were sent from my dog, John of all trades. We got a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna have to show you. We got a Mac, which is, what the fuck is his name? Flick. Shit with the cat. I forgot. I'll think of it in a second. And then we got sticky rice right here. Then we got that fucking shit is starting to fuck with me. I can't think of his name. We got a black mamba. Kind of has a weird little variegation, but coming along. We got some Bubba right there. And we got, like I said, Last Supper. This is another one, different pheno, but shout out Soulfire, gotta change the name. This is a plant I can't wait for. Right here, this is what I've been waiting for, the fucking plant of the year. This is horchata across the cherry pie. Jesus. And I did this little four note thing. I did go 2 plants in one. People say don't do that because they fight for life. But look at this. Ooh. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. There's no fight. It's all the same height, same size, same height. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Kind of been out the loop, but just know I'm never stopping that shit. I'm still growing. I'm doing better and better. To be honest, studying every day. Don't even watch TV anymore. I do study growers. If you're a grower, posting information on YouTube or anything like that, I'm probably reading it. No hate. Yeah. Shout out to you guys. It's Soul Brother 420. Come back. The winter's gonna be fucking nice. Maybe October time, I don't know. But winter's gonna be fucking nice. Shout out y'all, dog. My little breeders, let's go. Seedsman, let's go. AC Infinity, let's fucking